your choice, crisscross, mountain, or mermaid. Whole body listening. Oh, let's do that one more time, Boston. Whole body listening.
Whole body listening.
Okay, let's start our story with a star breath. Here we go. Stop. Take a deep breath. And relax. Let's do an even slower one. Here we go. Stop. Take a deep breath. And relax. We're all kinds of people, different in many ways. Ooh, Miss Dile just made a connection in her brain, so I'm going to do connecting fingers. I just made a connection. This story said that we're different in many ways. Just like last week, Boston, we were talking about how we're all unique and we're all special and we're all different, right? That's what this story is talking about too. Class,
Yes.
first, there were 13 stars. Then there were 50 stars. Who's feeling brave and bold and can tell Mrs. Dile why were there 13 but now there's 50? JP, stand all the way up, friend.